their core products. OpenAI's primary offerings include ChatGPT for consumer and business users, GPT-4 and other models accessible through an API, DALL-E for image generation, and specialized tools for enterprise applications. When we are talking about Anthropic, its main products feature Cloud AI Assistant for web, mobile, and API access, Cloud Code for developer workflows, API access for businesses to integrate cloud into their applications, and the Cloud 4 model family, which includes Opus and Sonnet variants. What are the key differentiators between OpenAI and Anthropic and their products? Both companies emphasize AI safety, though with different approaches. Anthropic has placed particular emphasis on constitutional AI, a technique that is designed to make AI systems more helpful, harmless, and honest through explicit principles and feedback mechanisms. OpenAI has focused on the broad accessibility and integration, making its tools widely available to consumers while building deep enterprise partnerships. The company's relationship with Microsoft has facilitated integration with productivity tools and cloud infrastructure. Anthropic has maintained a more research-focused profile while gradually expanding its commercial offerings. The company emphasizes transparency in its safety research and has published extensively on its alignment techniques. So when we're talking about the business applications, both the organizations are using platforms for similar use cases. Customer service automation and chatbots, content creation and editing, code generation and developer assistance, data analysis and summarization, and research and knowledge synthesis. The choice between the platform often depends on specific technical requirements, integration needs, pricing structures, and the organizational values regarding AI development approaches. And when we are talking about the market position, OpenAI currently holds stronger brand recognition amongst general consumers, largely due to ChatGPT's viral adoption. The company's Microsoft partnership also provides us extensive enterprise distribution channels. When we are talking about Anthropic, it has built a reputation within the technical and research communities for its emphasis on safety and interpretability. The company has been growing its enterprise presence while maintaining its focus on developing more scalable and transparent AI systems.